Hello everyone, this is Cook With Me. My name is Ekibere Chizoba and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make stir-fry rice with vegetable and chicken. The great thing about this meal, it's quick and easy to make and you end up with equal portions of rice and vegetable, if not more vegetable. So your food portion size remains the same, but half of it will be vegetable. This is a great way to increase your vegetable intake. Let's get into it. These are some of the vegetables I'll be using. I'll need to prep them before I start cooking so I don't overcook one because the next one is not ready. For this meal, I'll be needing a bowl of cooked rice, some broccoli, chopped onions and garlic, dark soy sauce, chopped chicken, some carrot, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some salt and seasoning cubes. First, you start by adding some vegetable oil into your pan and allowing it to heat up. Next, you'll be adding your bite-sized chicken to fry. It's important that they are cut into smaller pieces so they can cook through in a short time. You'll be adding some salt and pepper to taste and you'll be frying it until it's golden brown. Now the chicken is perfect and ready, so we'll be taking it out. Add a little more oil and allow it to heat up. Then add your chopped onions and garlic. Now add your chopped carrots and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Now the carrots have fried for a little while, it's time for the bell peppers. Now the bell peppers are fried for a little while, add your fried chicken. Next, you'll be adding some salt and seasoning cube to taste. Stir it all up and then add your broccoli. After adding the broccoli, I let it steam for a little while because I still want it to have some crunch when it's ready. Now my vegetable is ready, so I'll be adding the cooked rice and some soy sauce. I'll stir it around and taste, and then leave it to cook for a few minutes. And that's it, my stir fry rice with vegetable and chicken is ready. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share to your loved ones who will also find this helpful. Thank you. See you in the next video. You can also turn on the notification bell so you can know when the next video drops.